Lawyers nowadays are burdened with non-legal tasks, and those are annoying, and that prevent productivity. And this is where AI can make a real difference. Think about due diligence. You acquire a target, and of course, the British say put some lipstick on a pig. Every target looks beautiful and desirable and worth the money, unless you look behind the curtain.
Mm-hmm.
Now, do you have the capacity in a seasoned organization to review 20,000 contracts for liabilities and residual issues? No. So you hire maybe a specialized company with 20 people reading through contracts, so you can screen 500 of the biggest clients and then have a good idea. If you have AI, you can actually screen 20,000 contracts. And that AI can give you an idea of what the residual risk is. AI could also validate whether your claims about the patent and the value of the patent are more or less real, right? AI can strip a target naked and give you a much better idea whether it's worth the money. It's scary for the target, but it is good for investment overall because no money gets wasted. This is where AI can help in legal tech.